Hi everybody, it's Maggie, your fairy godmother of trading. Well, the market is calming down. Remember, for all of 2025, we've had a hard market to trade. It's been up and down all over the place with news. Now it dropped 10% about, I'm going to say 3 weeks ago. It found a footing, and now it's been gradually moving up day to day with smaller volume and smaller candles and more predictable type of price action. All that noise is great, but here's what it means for my trading. I've got to change trading styles because what was working in that very volatile market will not work any longer. So looking ahead, or looking back rather, all of my predictions last week were pretty spot on except for one. I said there wasn't going to be much reaction to all the economic releases, but there was to the GDP. It was lower than expected and the market crashed, but it did recover very fast. This coming week, what do we got to look forward to? Well, the Feds are meeting starting on Tuesday, and then they'll release their decision on interest rates on Wednesday about 2 o'clock Eastern Time. Powell will be speaking at 2:30 Eastern Time. I don't think there's going to be any changes in the interest rates this time. I think they're holding steady to see what all the policy changes are going to have. What I am watching for is clues for next meeting. What are they going to do in the future? How are they perceiving all the tariffs and so forth? So I'm going to be watching that. That's all, like I said, background noise for my trading. That brings me to how I'm doing. Well, I had another great week. It's Friday morning, and so far this week I've increased my portfolio balance by 6%. That's in the account I trade live with everybody. So it's visible, y'all see it, y'all place trades with me. So that's great. Where we were at accumulation distribution of all E's across the board, we are now at a C- on the SPY, and on NASDAQ we're at a D-. So money is starting to come back in the market. Volume is dropping, volatility is fading away. We need to change our trading styles. So that's what this week's Thursday webinar is going to be all about. It's more of what we've been talking about, but it's actually finding trades now to place. It is time to change. So thank you for listening to this week, and I'll see you at Thursday's webinar.